Hi students, today we are going to learn the book bag exercise of poem in the bazaars of Hyderabad. Okay, grammar junction. Now take page number 27 in your book B. Okay, in the poem the poet is talking to the people in the bazaar. Now let us imagine a conversation between the poet and the merchant. Yes, poet is asking, what do you sell, oh ye merchants? In the first line, right? She is asking to the merchant. Merchant is replying to her, we sell all kinds of beautiful cloths. Okay, poet, such beautiful verse you have, O merchants, tell me, what did you sell today? And merchant is replying, we sold tunics, turbans and daggers. Poet, what about those beautiful mirrors you had last time? And merchant is replying, we will bring them tomorrow to the bazaar. Poet means Sarojini Naidu is going to the bazaar and asking the merchant, what are the things you are selling? The merchant is replying, beautiful cloths like that. And what are the cloths you sell today like that she is asking? He is replying, and then last time you bought a mirror, right? What about that like that? The merchant is asking, and the poet is telling, this time you didn't bring her like that. She is asking, but the merchant is replying, we will bring it tomorrow to the bazaar like that. Telling, right? Yes. Look at these sentences from the conversation. See here, we sell all kinds of beautiful cloths. This line in the present tense, yes, sell. So we know sell, yes. It is in V1 verb. V1 verb means it is present tense. Yes, next one. Present tense. The verb here is sell. It is in simple present tense. V1 means already we know simple present tense. Next, this we sold. And the second sentence he is telling he sold. So, sold is V2. Yes, V2 verb. V2 verb means it is in past tense, simple past tense. It is simple present tense, it is simple past tense. Yes. See here, the verb sold is the past form of the verb sell. Sell or the past tense the sold. Yes. We will bring. See, we will bring them tomorrow to the bazaar. நாளைக்கு வரும்போது கொண்டு வருவோம். So, will bring. It is the another. Okay, it is not this verb. It is another verb. It comes for this bring. Here bring will come. Here brought will come. Okay. Okay, bring, brought, bring, like that it will come. It is not important for us now. Now let me take sell. It is in present tense, simple present tense, and sold it is in simple past tense, and it is in future tense. Okay, simple future tense. Simple future tense. Okay, will, with will it is come means simple future tense. It is in past tense means it is simple past tense. The verb which is present, okay, which is present mean it is present tense. Okay, now bring in the form present form, and we do not have the tense to describe future. For the future we are not describing the another verb, just we are adding will or shall, right? With the simple present tense form of the main verb is used to talk about the future. Main verb, it is the main verb, right? It is the main verb. Main verb kuda will check is future tense ah maarirum. It is the basic thing. Simple present tense means it is present. Verb which is in present, and verb which is in past it is past tense, and verb which denotes the future with will it is future tense. Okay, with V1 verb. See, bring is in V1 verb. Okay, V1 verb. V1 verb means present tense. Okay, now take next page number 28. Present simple. Present simple also, simple present tense also same. Okay, see first one. simple present tense எதுக்கெல்லாம் வரும் அப்படிங்கறத ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ப்போம். The simple present tense is used to talk about habits and regular actions. Habit and regular action means daily it will happen. It is a routine work. So that we want to use simple present tense. Daily I brush my teeth. Yes, this is a daily regular action. So for that we want to use present tense. See, Rohan bites his nail. Always Rohan bites his nail. So it is a day-to-day life routine work action. Next one, she listens to loud music all the time. She likes the loud music all the time. Every time he is hearing the loud music. So it is a routine work. Okay. For this first one, habits and regular action, we use simple present tense. And the second one, unchanging situation. See, my students always complain about school on Saturday. என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து எப்போவுமே சனிக்கிழமை ஆயிடுனா ஸ்கூலை பற்றி கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் வேலை. ஸோ இட் இஸ் எ ரெகுலர் திங். அன்சேஞ்சிங் சிச்சுவேஷன், இட் நெவர் சேஞ்ச். எவ்ரி சாட்டர்டே தே ஆர் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் அபவுட் த ஸ்கூல். எஸ், ஸோ இட் இஸ் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் ப்ரெசன்ட் கண்டினியூஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ், சிம்பிள் ப்ரெசன்ட் டென்ஸ். அண்ட் யூனிவர்சல் ட்ரூத். யூனிவர்சல் ட்ரூத் மீன்ஸ் விச் இஸ் நெவர் சேஞ்ச். இட் இஸ் எ ஃபேக்ட். ஓகே. So see, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water 100 degrees Celsius la da boil agum. So it never change. It is universal truth. For this also we will use present tense, simple present tense. Next one, instruction or direction or in imperative sentences. Imperative sentence means it is a command. Shut the door, close the door. Okay, or giving an instruction before coming inside, please remove your footwear outside, which means ulla varadhukku munadi your slippers, please remove the slippers. Yes, these are instructions. Directions. Direction means go straight, turn right. Yes, that direction, guiding lines. And imperative sentence means already I told command. These all are comes under present tense. What are comes under present tense? First one, habits or routine work. Okay, habits or regular action. And also second one, universal unchanging situation. The situation never change. Okay, second one. And third one, universal truth. It never change. Never ever change. It is a universal truth. Okay, then fourth one is guiding, direction, instruction, giving instruction to direct someone. So these four things are comes under simple present tense. For these situation we want to use verb 1, which means simple present tense. Okay, then present continuous tense. For this simple present tense there is a structure. So verb 1 na நம்ம சொல்லிருக்கோம் first verb. See, walked. Yes, that one, that like only we will write present tense, past tense, past participle. If we come under a future tense means walk. See, present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, future tense means we will write walked, will walk. Yes, like this, right? If we use like this means present tense, past tense and past participle. Okay, past participle, which means we use walk in the present, past tense walked, and past participle also we use walked. Okay, and see here, write, wrote, written. If we mention here means write, wrote, will write. Okay, if a drink means drink, drank, drunk. This is the past participle. If we write here present, past, future tense means for present tense we will give drink, past tense we will give drank, and future tense we will say will drink. Okay, this is the difference between future tense and past participle. This is the difference between future tense and past participle. Okay, see here. See, so that V1 verb we want to use in the present tense. Okay, what are the rules we learn? Habit, for direction, for unchanging situation, for universal too. These 4 things we want to use present tense, which means V1 verb. Okay, next, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense structure is here. First we can learn the rules, then we can move on to the structure. Okay, now the present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening in the present. ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் இப்போ நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு. Okay, happening at the present, continue. Okay, continue ஆயிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. So that we use this. Okay, actions happening in the present. See first one, example, the boy is running after the bus. அந்த பாய் வந்து பஸ்ஸுக்கு ஓடிக்கிட்டு இருக்கான். ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் த பஸ்ஸுக்கு பின்னாடி ஓடிக்கிட்டு இருக்கான். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் நவ். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் ரூல் இஸ் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் தட் ஹாவ் பீன் அரேஞ்ச்டு ஆர் பிளான்டு டு டேக் பிளேஸ் இன் ஃபியூச்சர் வித் த ஃப்ரேஸ் கோயிங் டு. அதாவது கோயிங் டு அப்படிங்கிற ஃப்ரேஸை வச்சு கண்டிப்பாக நடக்கும், கண்டிப்பாக நடக்க போகுது. So it comes under present continuous tense. Okay, 2 things. One is it is happening now, it is continuing now, and second one is using the phrase going to, we want to it will happen sure, so we use present continuous tense. And the structure of present continuous tense, it is very important. It is used for the higher class also, so you can just copy it in your note and learn. It is very important. Okay, okay, see, present continuous tense, I mentioned all the tenses above and differentiate the continuous perfect like that this side. Okay, simple present tense, so that you want to see like this. Simple present tense. Simple present tense means it is a just present tense, so we want to use V1 verb. Okay, then continuous. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, see, am, is, or plus verb 1. Verb 1 means present tense. Verb plus ing. This is the formula. This is the structure for present continuous tense. Okay, am is used for I. ஐக்கு மட்டும் தான் நம்ம am யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, this is வந்து சிங்குலர்னா எத்தனை பேர்? only one member. Okay, he, she, it. For this thing we use is. And or is used for plural. Plural means more than one. Okay, they, you, we. For this we want to use or. Plus verb 1. Verb 1 we know present tense plus continuous. If it is continuous means we want to add ing. That is very important. Okay, continuous நாலே ing இருக்கணும். See, I is used for am only, and we, you, they. These are in plural. நிறைய பேர். So we use or in the present continuous tense, and he, she, it. He, she, it is a singular. ஒரு ஆள். Okay, so we are using is. Okay, then let me move to the next one. Present perfect. The present perfect tense is used to talk about 5 things. Okay, let me see. Actions that happen in the past but whose results are still relevant. ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் ஏற்கனவே முடிஞ்சிட்டு, பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ்ல முடிஞ்சிட்டு, ஆனா அதோட ரிசல்ட் இஸ் ரிலவென்ட் டு நவ். இப்போவும் அது சம்பந்தப்பட்டு இருக்கு. So for that, okay, see the example. My grandparents have gone on a pilgrimage. Okay, என்னோட grandparents வந்து அந்த யாத்திரை போனாங்க. ஓகே, போனாங்க, அதோட ரிசல்ட் இன்னும் நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு. ரைட்? ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன், ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்டட் இன் த ரீசன்ட் பாஸ்ட். ரீசன்ட் பாஸ்ட்னா இப்போ ஜஸ்ட் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி, ஜஸ்ட் with the word just. Okay, it is perfect, present perfect. See, the girls have just had their breakfast. இப்போ கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி தான், just now they had their breakfast. So it is also comes under present perfect. And third one, actions completed before the expected time. நம்ம எதிர்பார்த்த நேரத்துக்கு முன்னுக்குட்டி முடியுது. இட்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி ஓவர். இது ஏற்கனவே முடிஞ்சிட்டு. ஸோ ஃபார் திஸ் யூசிங் ஆல்ரெடி. ஜஸ்ட்ங்கிற வேர்டு ஆல்ரெடிங்கிற வேர்டு. ஓகே, சி இட்ஸ் ஒன்லி 6 PM அண்ட் மாம் ஹேஸ் ஆல்ரெடி மேட் டின்னர். இப்போ 6 மணி தான் ஆகுது, ஈவினிங் 6 மணிக்கு தான் ஆகுது. ஆனால் அம்மா ஏற்கனவே டின்னரை ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், fourth, actions in negative sentence and questions using yet. see yetங்கிற வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணி வர்றது present perfectல வரும். they have not and also negative sentence means not which வருது. see haven't means have not, meaning is have not. okay, they have not seen the mess yet. இன்னும் அவங்க இத பார்க்கல. have you watched the movie yet? அந்த மூவி பார்த்துட்டியா? okay, so yet what are the 4 things we learn now? still already one thing is over. first rule is already over but it is relevant to now, and second one just now, so just, and third one already, it is happened already, so already. okay, கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி தான் முடிஞ்சது, already finish அப்படினு சொல்றது. then fourth one is yet. then fifth one experiences, talking about experiences. see I have never performed on stage. நான் இதுவரைக்கும் ஸ்டேஜ்ல பெர்ஃபார்மே பண்ணது கிடையாது. experience, I am sharing my experience. okay, next, have you ever been a foreign country? இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீ foreign country போயிருக்கியா? என்னோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்ல நான் போனது இல்ல. so it is also comes under experience. okay, so now let me see the structure of present perfect tense. okay, have or has plus V3 means past participle. PP I told, right? past participle. and the last thing, okay, see I, we, you, they. for these things we want to use have. okay, I, we, you, they. yes, for these we want to use have. he, she, it we want to use has. he, she, it, and also for the name, if particularly a name is there also we want to use has. okay, I, we, you, they, already I told avyuday. you want to just remember avyuday. yes, so I, we, you, they we want to use the word have, and he, she, it we want to use has. okay, plus V3 means past participle. this is the structure of present perfect tense. now let me move to the next one, present perfect continuous. Continuous means ing is important. okay, see the present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about actions that started at a particular time in the past and are still continuing, which means one action started in the pastல ஏற்கனவே ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டு ஆனாலும் இன்னமும் கண்டினியூ ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? so this one comes under present perfect continuous tense. see the example, my mom has been preparing for the ceremony since sunrise. எங்க அம்மா இந்த செரிமனிக்காண்டி சன்ரைஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சதுல இருந்து since sunrise அவங்க ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க, ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, so next one, a past action that has recently stopped but its evidence can still be seen. in these cases the continuity of the action is shown as an explanation of something, which means has recently stopped. இப்போ தற்காலிகமாக நிறுத்தி வச்சிருக்காங்க, ஆனா அதோட எவிடன்ஸ் இன்னும் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கும்போது we will use present perfect continuous tense. okay, now see the example, why do you have dark circles under your eyes? உனக்கு ஏன் இப்படி கண்ணுக்கு கீழே கருவளையம் இருக்கு? so it is past, already இருக்கு, and also it is continuing, right? next, see I have not been sleeping much lately. நான் வந்து ரொம்ப லேட்டா தூங்க மாட்டேன். okay, much lately தூங்க மாட்டேன், sleeping. okay, it is in continuous. see now let me see the structure for present perfect continuous. okay, present perfect continuous as like this, but we have add been and also V1 verb ing. continuous நாலே ing இருக்கணும். already I told here continuous na ing இருக்கணும். okay, see have or has. as like this. See, I, we, you, they, we are using have, and here also I, we, you, they, we are using have. He, she, it has, he, she, it has, as like this. Okay, then have or has, we will learn this. And been, been is important in the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, been, perfect continuous appdi vandunale been irukano. Then v1, v1 means present. Okay, simple present, v1 then plus ing. This is the structure for present perfect continuous. Okay, let me see the next one. Past simple. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that have been completed in the past. Or action past la mudinjittu. Okay, it is already over. So we can use yes, first we can say sell. Sell means வித்தாங்க, வித்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. So sold. sold na வித்து முடிச்சாச்சு. Will bring, will bring, will bring na நாளைக்கு கொண்டு வரும். So it is in future. Now we are seeing past tense. Past tense means already over, right? Actions that have been completed in the past, the times does not matter. எப்போ முடிஞ்சது அப்படிங்கிறது அவசியம் இல்லை, but it is over. Okay, see the example. My brother wanted a bicycle on his birthday. என் பிரதருக்கு அவன் பிறந்த நாளைக்கு பைசைக்கிள் வாங்கினான். Okay, then past habits. Past habits means already over habits. Present tense means routine, routine work, daily. Okay, past tense means past habit, ஏற்கனவே முடிஞ்ச habit. See, Harry liked going to the zoo as a child. அவன் சின்ன வயசுல எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் ஜூ போகணும்னு சொல்லுவான், ஜூ போயிட்டே இருப்பான். Okay, so it is over. Now he is not like that. Okay, so and also the past simple. Okay, simple past tense has two types, regular verbs and irregular verbs அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Regular verbs na, it is the base form you learn in the 3rd standard or 4th standard, I think so. And also just I recall that again, a regular verb. Regular verb means it is end with regular past verb. Okay, regular past verb it is end with d, ed, ied. Okay va, idhula dhaan mudiyum. Ipo paru chase. Chase is the verb is given means if we want to change into past tense means we add d. So it is comes under this regular. Okay, next one, jump. See, jump. Jump we can say in the past tense jumped. So ed. Okay, then id. Study. Okay, study. Study in the past tense we say studied. So ied. Okay, regular verb end with d, ed, ied. And irregular. Irregular means it is not end with d, ed, ied. Okay, not end with d, ed, ied. This is the base form I am teaching now. Okay, this is the base. D not end with d, ed, ied, which means the words are hut. Okay, hut. Hut is changes to hut only, not hutted. Okay, hut. Hut is hut. Put. Put is put. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Cut. Okay, next. And also some words are changes. See here. Write. Write is changes to wrote. Not written. Wrote. This also comes under irregular. And see, drink. Drink is changes to drank. Okay, not a drinked. How the past tense? Drank, not drinked. This is the base form. Okay, we know it is comes under irregular verbs, past tense verbs, right? Okay, now we learn it is already over. It comes under past tense and past habit. Okay, now let me see the structure. Yes, past, simple past tense. See, V2. V2 means past tense. Walked, wrote, drank, chased, jumped, studied, heard. These all comes under V2. Okay, past tense. Okay, now let's next one, past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about actions that were going on at some point in the past. கொஞ்சம் முன்னகுட்டி நடந்து முடிஞ்சது. Okay, so actions that were going on at some point in the past. See, she was walking the dog. Ava a dog kuda nadandu walking panni poran. So first one, and some point in the past. Next one, actions that were interrupted by another action in the past. ஒரு ஆக்ஷன் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது இன்னொன்று மிங்கிள் ஆகுது. ஓகே, டூ ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஹேப்பனிங் அட் ஒன்ஸ். ஸோ ஒன்று நடந்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது இன்னொன்று வர்றது. சி, ஷி வாஸ் புட்டிங் த கிளாத்ஸ் டு ட்ரை. அவள் வந்து துணியை காய போட்டுக்கிட்டு இருந்தா. வென் ஐ கால்டு, நான் கூப்பிடும்போது. ஸோ டூ ஆக்ஷன்ஸ், ரைட்? நெக்ஸ்ட் தேர்ட் ஒன், டூ ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் ஹேப்பன் simultaneously. simultaneously ஒரே நேரத்தில் பாஸ்ட்ல நடக்கிறது. See, I was talking to my aunt while my sister was watching television. நான் எங்க அத்தை கிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது என் தங்கச்சி உட்காந்து டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தா. Okay, so two action is happening at one time. Okay, see, past continuous tense structure. Shall we see the past continuous tense structure? Yes, past continuous tense. We are going to see was or were plus verb 1 plus ing. Was or were plus verb 1 plus ing. See, I, he, she, it. இதெல்லாம் singular. Yes, for singular we use was, and we, you, they. These are comes under plural. For plural we use were, and V1 verb is walk. So walk. ing we want to add with this. So walking. Okay. He was walking. She was walking. If in plural means we were walking. They were walking. Okay, this is the structure. Okay, now let me move to the next one. Past perfect tense. See, the past perfect tense is used to talk about actions that took place before a certain point in time. Certain point la nadandadu. Okay, so she had reached the finish line much before the others. அவ கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி எல்லாத்துக்கும் முன்னக்கூட்டி கொஞ்சம் முன்னக்கூட்டி முடிச்சிட்டா. ஓகே, this one before a certain point in time. அந்த குறிப்பிட்ட டைமுக்கு முன்னக்கூட்டி. So this one past perfect. And second one perfect. perfectனால எல்லாத்துலயும் perfect-ஆ இருக்குது. அவங்க சொல்ற கொடுத்த டைமுக்கு முன்னக்கூட்டி பண்றது அப்படி ஞாபகம். So it is easy to understand. And second one, imaginary situation in third conditional sentences. Third conditional sentence means if clause, right? If I had known you were coming, நீ வாரேன்னு எனக்கு முன்னுக்கூட்டியே தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா I would have cleaned my room. என்னோட ரூமை நான் சுத்தமாக வச்சிருந்திருப்பேன். So it is comes under before things. So past perfect. முன்னுக்கூட்டியே முடிச்சு க்ளீனாக வைக்கிறது, right? Let me see the past perfect structure. See, past perfect structure. See, had plus V3 past participle. Here for the present perfect we use have, has. For the past we want to use had plus V3. V3 means past participle. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For all those things we want to use had. Had plus V3. V3 means past participle. Walked, written, drunk, hut, jumped, chased. These all are comes under V3 form, right? So for all these we want to use had plus V3 verb. Okay, this is the past perfect. Next one, take next page, page number 30. See, past continuous tense. The past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous is used to talk about actions that started at one point in the past, continued for some time and ended at another point in time. முன்னகுட்டியே already it is started. Okay, already started and continued for some time. கொஞ்ச நேரம் நடந்து and ended at another point of time. ஆனா முடிஞ்சது இன்னொரு நேரத்துல முடியுது. So here three things is mentioned here. Past perfect continuous means it is action past pastல start ஆகி then continued for some time and ended at another point. இன்னொரு பாயிண்ட்ல போய் முடியிறது தான் past perfect continuous tense, right? Okay, see the example. The truck had been running at a very high speed. அந்த ட்ரக்கு வந்து ஏற்கனவே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிட்டு பாஸ்டில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிட்டு ஹேட் பீன் ரன்னிங் அட் அ வெரி ஹை ஸ்பீட் சரியான ஸ்பீடில் போகுது வென் இட் கொலைடட் வித் த ட்ரீ ட்ரீயில் போய் மோதி நின்றுட்டு ஓகே ஸோ ஒரு பாயிண்டில் ஆரம்பிச்சு பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸில் ஆரம்பித்து இப்போவும் கண்டினியூ ஆகி இன்னொரு பாயிண்டில் போய் ஸ்டாப் ஆகிறது தான் பாஸ்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட் கண்டினியூஸ் டென்ஸ் ஓகே சி நவ் லெட் வி சி த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஃபார் பாஸ்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட் கண்டினியூஸ் டென்ஸ் had been plus verb 1 plus ing which means had been. Here have has perfect continuous naale been add pannanom so continuous na ing so these two are important. See had been plus verb 1 plus ing. See for all these things I we you they he she it for all these things we want to use had been okay had been plus verb 1 plus ing verb 1 means we know present tense so walk plus ing okay I had been walking this is the present perfect tense present perfect continuous tense okay this is the structure for this okay students I hope you all clear about these tenses and remaining tense future about the future we can see in the next class. Thank you students.